Let's go take a cruise. Go on a trip.
15201, forward facing, extended balcony. Here's your final bill, sir.
Oh, I was going to invite you in to see our home
But
for
now
the
you're
next
not,
7
huh?
days. Not now with this my.
You ate too much.
I guess so.
And here we are, 15201.
Here we
Extended
are.
balcony. As you walk in the door, on the right side are 2 large closets.
And the
Lots of hangers, double-sided for your long clothes or suits or slacks or whatever you like to hang. Then there's shelves. You can twist that little button up there and the shelves come down. Couple drawers,
these here
wire racks,
right, these pull out for your swimsuits and things like that.
safe. Very large. This is just one side.
Right.
Let's see the second side.
This was my side. Here was Vicky's side. This side
Some of
has,
our clothes are gone now.
this side has
They're all packed up and ready to go.
this side has that full-length mirror also. See, it's very, very nice.
Full-length mirror.
See,
Well, I'll be. There it is. Full-length mirror. Plenty of storage.
plenty of storage.
Now let's look into the restroom. Oh, maybe you want to describe this.
Yes.
What's this about?
Okay. This card has to be in here in order for the lights and electricity, all the electricity to work, air conditioning, everything. Here's your controller for your AC, cooler, warmer. These are the
They
lights.
provide this card though.
Right, they do provide.
It's
the
already
card.
in the room.
Right.
These are your light switches.
And then,
This is the light switch to the restroom, and there's 3 hooks on the outside.
Right.
If you want to hang your bags or your lanyards. Now, keep in mind our room has not been cleaned this morning. This is Disembarkation Day,
right.
but it's a nice sized bathroom, a magnifying mirror for the ladies or men to shave or do your makeup.
And something we love is that it has a glass shower door.
Yeah, we like the
Still
glass
perfect.
shower door. We just emptied our tumblers. It's plenty of room for us.
Yeah, it was good.
It was plenty of room. Here's the shower door he was talking about. It swings this way, so you have plenty of room to get inside. So there's a little bar to shave your legs. There's an adjustable shower head. And they do provide shampoo and shower gel. No conditioner. We bring our own anyway. And there's a little clothesline that extends from one side to the other. It was very spacious for us. Now, let's go into the bedroom. Nice king size bed. Actually, it was 2 twins pushed together. They provided extra pillows for us. Each side of the bed has a little tray on each side and a little light with a USB. A little reading light with a USB. Each side of the bed has one. Very convenient. Nice
big
TV. We have it on HGTV this morning. Walk around the bed. Here's the makeup, or the counter, makeup stool, the counter. Nice lighted area. There's the light for it, the light switch. Then here is the USB ports and the outlets.
And a little duck
Plenty
that we did
for us.
find.
Little ducky. So there were plenty of outlets.
Yes,
We
there was
didn't have to.
no problem with the outlets,
Yeah.
no problem with
There's the room service
the
menu.
cords or anything.
And here's all of our little collected animals. We just thought it was cute to kind of keep them, and I think our cabin steward enjoyed that we appreciated them, so we didn't tear them apart. We just kind of left them as they were. ice bucket and glass every day. You can request ice.
Yes.
And over on this side, there's a nice sofa pull out, and it turns into a twin bed, which we of course didn't have the need for, but we're ready to go, so we're already packed up. And it's a nice sofa, nice little art on the wall.
And again, it had the reading
Also
lights
another
over here.
reading light. Yep.
This up here, and I'll get that door for you, darling. This goes out to the
Now
extended
this is the
balcony.
extended balcony, forward facing, so we have a little extra heavy door. Step over the ledge. We have this windbreak here, which we're not accustomed to having on the extended balconies.
No,
But we understand why it was here.
it kind of broke up the balcony.
Yeah, it kind of did break up the footage, but we know it's for safety purposes. We had 2 deck chairs and a chase lounge. So see, it's still plenty of room. Now this is the part of the forward-facing room that we did not care for, and that's the railing, that when you're seated, you cannot see out. You have to stand up. So I'll show you. I'm standing right now. I'm standing. Now I'm sitting. And there went my view. So there's no view once you're sitting, except of the sky. So we did not care for that, and we will not probably ever request a forward-facing room
we will
again.
not ever have a forward facing.
So we're back in the port of Galveston. Looks like a nice day. It was foggy at first. This is the crew area. Their recreation area or relaxing area down here. Yes, we're back in Galveston. And the sun's up, ready for us to disembark and head back to Dallas. Are we ready?
I don't know if we're ready to go back or not, but I know we'll come back again soon. So that makes it okay. But we really enjoyed the room itself was great, but this situation on the balcony was not great. And I have to say,
Because we really do enjoy sitting on the balcony and looking out and eating breakfast. As you can see, we still have our breakfast you didn't pick up from yesterday.
No, you did not.
So,
and another problem about this, having this 201 room, you're at the end of the hall.
oh, it's such a long walk.
So it's a long walk.
We
You
do
wanna go
enjoy
in-
being midship.
Right, midship is what we request
Yes,
from now
midship
on.
every time.
Because this was really at the very back.
So this is our last day, and we're getting ready to disembark. It's about 7:20
Right,
on a Saturday morning, and we'll probably likely be off the ship by 8:15.
without a doubt.
That's what happened last time.
Yeah, and I think we'll be off the ship this time at 8:15.
And we were already in the cab by 8:30.
Right.
And in our car by 9.
Yeah,
So it's a pretty fast process.
it is a fast process. They have the debarkation down really pat here at Carnival. But we do want to say, in reference to this cruise, it was great. The stewards were good. The food was good. The service was good. Can't complain about anything. I'm going
We
home.
met a lot of people, and we met
A lot of people,
people
Will
with
and
Sam
Kat.
and Debbie. And,
Yeah.
a lot of people that we can't recall all the names right now, but some of you have already subscribed and some of you are subscribing. And we appreciate that so much. And we hope you find value in our little videos.
Yeah, we hope so. I hope you'll join us again on our next tour or our
Yeah, we
next
should be here
adventure.
next month.
Yeah, we'll be right back here.
And right back here next month.
So we'll give you another update. So remember to subscribe. Boomers on the go. Let's go.
Let's go to Dallas.
Let's go to Dallas.
Well, how was disembarkation today, Mr. Green?
Hey, baby. It was a little bit confusing today. It was nothing like it was last time.
A little more chaotic.
Real chaotic. And
Oops.
it took us a while to get getting on the elevator. Too many people did not follow the instructions.
Just keep looking straight ahead.
And so
He's
because,
driving.
yeah, I'm driving, but because they didn't follow the instructions, you could barely get an elevator. It took us
Elevators
about.
were cram-packed.
Cram-packed.
People were very testy.
Yes, they were.
And I kept saying, we have to have patience. We're all going to get down. But
Yeah.
they didn't appreciate my positivity, I don't think, today.
No, they did not.
Let's all be patient.
Mhm.
And there was a line, but people kept jumping the line in order to get in the elevator. And I thought that was so rude. Younger people would jump in front of the older people and people that had been there first.
Yes.
And I thought that was not nice. So if you see a line forming at an elevator,
Get in
always wait. Wait your turn. We're all going to get there at one point or the other. Might take a little bit longer, but just be nice. Don't ruin your trip on the last day when you've had such a great time the whole entire time, and then the last day you get all antsy. It's not worth it. It's 9 a.m. and we're already, what, 20 minutes from the port?
Yeah.
So we left our room about 7:45. We were at the priority group, but that didn't seem to really work today for some reason. Carnival kind of messed us around on that. But I can't complain. 7:45, and it took us 45 minutes probably to get off the ship, going through the line, getting our luggage, getting a porter, getting to the taxi. Took about 45 minutes, and the taxi back to the hotel.
And the faster to the fun pass did not work.
Did not
today,
work.
And nor did
It didn't work at the beginning either.
No, but did not work even for the diamonds or the platinum, because everybody was complaining.
Diamonds, platinums, everyone was complaining that it was too much
all in line.
chaos today.
Chaotic.
It was a cattle call.
Yes.
And we were zone 2, and so there's only one zone before that, zone 1. So zone 2, it still was very difficult to get our luggage.
Our baggage was down in zone 3. He had to walk all the way
Oh
down
wow,
to
it
zone
wasn't
3.
even the correct zone, and it was tagged properly,
Yes.
but it was a little
was
chaotic today. Last month when we were here, or in September when we were here, it was smooth. It was smooth sailing to get off.
But I mean, you know,
But-
hey, it's not going to ruin the trip.
No,
It's supposed to have
absolutely
to do
not.
that.
It's only 9 a.m., so
Right. It's 9 a.m.
it's
and
9 a.m.
we had
We're
a
in our
great
car.
cruise,
We're on
and
the way home.
And Catherine was right there. She's a wonderful person. to
Catherine,
use.
yes.
If you're going to, you know, have someone pick you up and take you to the port from a hotel, and then also pick you up and return you back to your car.
I'll leave the link in this video so you can contact her.
Yes. And but everything else is fine. Now we're just on our way back to a rock wall, and we should.
We've
be
got to
there
stop
about
and get a
2
Diet
o'clock.
Coke pretty soon because I'm parched.
Yeah. Probably. Yes, that'd be good. Plus, it'll be about 2 o'clock we get home, but we had a great time, and so we're going to drive safe. And we just remember, subscribe, hit that like button, and remember, Boomers on the go. Let's go.
Go to Dallas. Bye.